अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज फिर से एक वेजिटेरियन डिश के साथ आई हूँ। वेरी इजी तमिल स्टाइल Vellarikkai Mor Kuzhambu. This is Madras. This is also called Madras cucumber, Mangalore cucumber as well. Very light on the tummy, very nice to eat on a hot summer day. Goes very well with hot rice and a side of potato fry or papad or pickle as well. It's a super tasty cooling curry. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. For this I have taken Vellarikkai, known also as Mangalore cucumber and Madras cucumber as well. I've taken half of it. Peeled, deseeded, cubed it and put them in water till use. Now add the diced Vellarikkai to a mud pot. Add a cup of water with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well and cook till just tender. Don't overcook it. It should hold shape. Meanwhile, let's grind a few ingredients. I've taken half a handful of sliced coconut. You can take grated coconut as well. Green chillies, you can take 1 or 2 depending on your spice preference. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of soaked raw rice. This is just to increase the thickness of the curry. This is completely optional. Add half an inch of ginger for added flavor and a little water and grind to a fine paste. Don't forget to stir the pot in between. Now after 10 minutes, keep the flame on low and add the ground paste. Mix well and let it boil gently for 2 to 3 minutes on very low flame. Now add 1 cup of curd mixed with 1 cup of water. This is to make buttermilk. Sour curd 1 cup, 1 cup water. Mix well to make buttermilk. Now reduce the flame completely. Add the buttermilk. Stir continuously and do not boil. Just heat gently for a minute. Add salt to taste. We have already added salt while boiling the cucumber. To add just a little more if necessary. Now let's temper the curd curry. For tempering, take a small fry pan or tempering pan, seasoning pan. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To this add 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, then add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Don't let it burn, otherwise it will give that kasala taste, bitter taste. Also add 1 sprig curry leaves and 1 dry red chilli. Also a pinch of hing. Pour this over the curry. Now serve hot with steamed rice. Taste excellent with potato curry, beans and yam fry as well. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. The link to the mud pots is also given if you wish to purchase. Thank you for watching.